morning, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Indonesia. This is Indomie mee goreng barbecue chicken. This is the lid from it. I don't know where the packaging got to, the side of it, but no matter. Gonna do it the old-fashioned way. So I've got a big pot of water, and instead of doing it in a cup, because the one that I have with the pour spout, it's in the dishwasher. So, but I'm just gonna drop the noodle block on in, and here's the other sachets. So I believe this one goes for 3 minutes. Let me double check. 3 minutes. So turn it on. 1, 2, 3, go. So how's everybody doing? It's an absolutely beautiful day here in sunny downtown Kenmore, Washington. It's about 72 degrees. About to get a whole heck of a lot hotter in here. And let's start off our day with our quote from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. And today's, we've got number 267, right? Yeah. Meat and potatoes always go together, as the acidity of meat matches the alkalinity of the potatoes. A restaurant that serves good French fries is guaranteed to also have excellent roast beef and steak. Love this guy. Freaking weird. Anyway, that's one of his famous quotes. I don't know how famous it is. That's one of his quotes. So, the jury is in deliberation of the George Floyd, actually the Derek Chauvin murder case. George Floyd is the one that they're deciding whether he murdered or not. Honestly, I think what happened is really crummy, but I think that cop's getting off. I guess we'll see what happens, but I don't know. It seems like I listen to a lot of liberal news, and I will say I think they're rooting for Chauvin to not win. But man, his defense, man, that lawyer is no slouch. He's good. He's really good. I don't care. They're covering it wrong, I swear to God. It was like yesterday where I was listening to the closing statements, and basically it was like the guy didn't want to get into the cop car. He was saying, I don't want to go in there, I can't go in there. If you've got like somebody you think is a criminal, somebody with past history, and they say they don't want to get in the cop car, you're probably thinking that they think they're going to go away for quite a while. So sure, they don't want to go in there, and they're going to use excuses trying to not get in there. If you're a cop, you're probably thinking, oh no, no people are going to lie to try to get out of stuff, say they have conditions or this or that. So I think that's probably going to be enough to get this guy off. Really, he might. I mean, he won't get like the aggravated like he would when he had his knee on his neck that he was trying to snuff him out or nothing. I think if he gets that, I'll be like, wow, okay. I guess that video was that compelling, but I don't know. It's funny too, because I'll tell you right now, I haven't seen all the videos and stuff, so I really need to see that to make an honestly informed decision. I listen to it all. I use an app called TuneIn, and so I was listening to the trial coverage on TuneIn on MSNBC. So I like MSNBC. A lot of people are like, oh, that's that. But you know, it's like, hey, it's what I listen to. Usually aligns pretty well with what I think politically. But the thing is, though, there's a lot of stuff that they say that's just like, my God, are you people kidding me? It's funny. Everything is just so, what do you call it? It's tribal. It's like there's us and them, and like we're all Americans. It's a sad state of affairs. I guess Walter Mondale died last night. He was 93. And when I was a kid, we had like a mock presidential election. I wonder if they even do that anymore in school. I tend to think that they don't, which is sad because that was fun. But I remember it was Mondale and Reagan were in the race, and we had the little mock thing, and we could, you know, vote. And my dad asked me, who did you vote for? I was like, well, everybody was voting for Reagan, so... And he, like, got mad. Gave me a lesson in civics. Basically. He's like, no. Don't do it because other people do it. I'll never forget that, though, because he, like me... And I think a lot of it has to do with his thoughts. There's no such thing as a wasted vote. If you vote your conscience and you vote for who you want to have in office, there's nothing wrong with that. If there's less of a chance that they'll win, you're not giving a vote to somebody else. You're giving a vote to that person who's running. So, say you wrote in... I didn't do this. I voted for Biden in the last election. First time my candidate won in a while. At least 4 years. Or wait, it's been a while, but what was I gonna say? I don't remember. Screw it. My guy won. But I certainly did not vote for Reagan. But a lot of people did. And honestly, now I listen to a lot of stuff of Reagan speaking, and it's just like, wow, you know? Compared to the last administration, there's a lot of stuff that I thought was just way overboard. Way overboard before. Like George W. Bush. I thought he was like absolutely the worst you could get. It's like, pfft. No. I'm definitely not a Trump fan. Definitely not. I hate to say it, but I used to absolutely love this instant noodle. And I don't anymore. It really puzzles me because I've now had it recently in the pack version and in the cup version, which is this. And it's just like, it's different. It's really different. And it's not different in a way that I enjoy whatsoever. I mean, I'm like, if it's something that's just like okay, I'll give it a 3.5. If it's just like, that's about what I expect. It's not great, not horrible. Hey, what are you doing? Finish your lunch. Go finish your lunch. Are you done with your lunch? Let me guess. Did you eat it all? Did you eat all your lunch, Mimi? I'm asking you a question. No, why not? Let me see. Come here. You don't want to eat your lunch? Why not? Oh, you're turning down pizza crust? Why? What's wrong with it? It has all the yummy stuff on it. You are having a farty party today. Farty party! She's having a farty party. Yeah, usually I get Domino's pan pizza with white sauce, sausage, and green bell pepper. And she liked that. It's one of the few actual, like, foods she'll eat. And I know it's pizza, right? But it's like she'll actually eat that. And she's like, I don't want it with green bell pepper. I don't like to eat green things. And she just like had a huge throwdown fit. I'm like, but they don't have red bell pepper, which is something she's okay with. Well, so I went and we were like looking, I was like, what do they have? And it's like, oh, they've got roasted red pepper. Okay. When it had the green bell pepper on it, she ate the whole thing. Now she's like an aristocrat and she doesn't feel she needs to eat the crust. So I don't know. There's one of those eggs. It's not as perfect as usual, but it's not bad. It's kind of under a time constraint. See, these that I'm doing today, I haven't like edited yet. I haven't like edited the images or anything. Oh, wait a second. It's barbecue chicken. I should put some chicken on here. Here, you get over there. Here, I know. I'll just do that. Well, kinda. That kinda works. This chicken came out really good, but I really shouldn't be eating it before I use it and stuff. Always like a bit of coriander. Like that. And I wish I had some like dua belibus or something. That's an Indonesian sauce. Or ABC stuff or chabe or something like that. I think this is about as far as the road takes us. Which isn't a bad place. I don't think. Let's see. Where's my... There we go. Yeah. Rotation time. All right. Well, tomorrow we're gonna have some duck. Peking duck from Germany. Have a good one. Bye.